Hello and welcome to today's JavaScript tutorial. In this session, we'll solve an exciting problem in number theory, finding all distinct prime factors of a given integer. Prime factorization is a fundamental concept in mathematics, with applications in cryptography, data analysis, and more. Let's dive in and explore how to implement this in JavaScript. The goal of this problem is to determine all the prime factors of a given integer. For example, for the input of 105, the prime factors are 3, 5, and 7. The result contains only distinct primes, even if they appear multiple times in the factorization. Let's break down how to solve this programmatically. This JavaScript program calculates the distinct prime factors of a given integer. It uses a helper function, isPrime, to check if a number is prime. The main function iterates through the numbers from 2 to the input integer. For each number, it checks if it is the prime factor of the input. If so, it divides the input by that factor and adds it to the result array. The test cases demonstrate how the program works for different inputs. The program follows a systematic approach. It first checks if a number is a prime. Then, it loops through all potential factors, checking if they divide the input evenly. If a factor is both prime and distinct, it is added to the result array. The input is then divided by the factor to continue factorization process. This ensures that all prime factors are correctly identified. Let us analyze two examples. For 100, the prime factors are 2 and 5, as it is divisible by 2 and 5 repeatedly. For 105, the prime factors are 3, 5, and 7, as the number is divisible by these primes in sequence. This step-by-step process ensures all factors are identified correctly. The ES6 version uses arrow functions to make the code cleaner and more concise. The logic remains the same. Loop through possible factors, check if they are prime, and add them to the result array if they divide the input integer. In summary, this program efficiently identifies all distinct prime factors of a given integer. It combines the concepts of prime checking and divisibility testing to produce accurate results. This technique is widely applicable in various domains of computer science and mathematics. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.